Hello, this is Zan Williams with the Kings Bay, and I'll be showing you how to install a bar rail. Installation is fairly easy, but will require the proper tools to complete. To get started, you will need power drill and bits, gloves, painter's tape, a measuring tape, a pencil, screwdriver, and an Allen wrench. Before you begin, you will want to measure 6 inches from the corner of your bar on both sides. Then, using the length of your brackets, measure out from the base to create a virtual foot rail with your painter's tape. This will help to give you an idea of how far your bar rail will project. Next, using your measurement from the corners, mark the location of your screw holes. With your holes marked, drill about an inch into the base at each point. Then, install your brackets. Now your two end brackets are in place, determine the distance that you prefer for your middle brackets to be. For this tutorial, we're using a 6-foot bar, so only one extra bracket was required, 2.5 feet between our two ends. The maximum distance you will want to go between brackets is 4 feet. Once those have been installed, it is time for the bar rail. Please note, if you do not have a single piece of railing long enough for your bar, you can easily extend a piece with another using a splitter. Getting the rail to pass through the brackets can be a bit of a tight fit, so we here at the Kings Bay recommend a dab of oil as a lubricant to keep from scratching. With your bar rail now installed, tighten your set screws. Now that your bar is set, all it's left to do is to cap it with your choice of ends. For more how-tos from the Kings Bay, please like and subscribe and visit our YouTube page.